The central theme that drives every single member at Growth Foundation International is to run business on autopilot mode. There are two ways you can actually run your business. One is firefighting mode and then the autopilot mode. When you are in the firefighting mode, you literally have to drive every single department and every single task in your business. When you have autopilot mode installed, that's when your business is really getting ready for a massive scale up. GFI is not for everybody. It is for business owners who really want to achieve skyrocketing growth, who wants to have a purposeful living, wants to really make a big impact in the society and be an action taker as well. So what do you get when you join GFI? You get to access our flagship module, BSB Business Scale Up Blueprint. It's a 12-day intense module that will help you to really take your business to a whole new level. Wherein on day 1, you'll learn about how to craft a vision. Day 2, you'll learn about practical ways of doing SWOT analysis for your business. On day 3, you'll learn to arrive at the sweet spot of growth for your business by looking at mind, mastery, and money. And day 4 is entrepreneur mindset. What kind of software systems you need to use, what needs to be the mindset of an entrepreneur, how to start looking at business like a billion-dollar entrepreneur, how to get your numbers right, practical P&L tools are being shared, and purpose of existence. Why do I really need to run this business? And complete HR scale-up systems, starting from KPI, key performance indicators, the way you recruit people, how you promote them, how do you set career growth opportunities in your company for your people so that your retention rate is really, really high, how to create core values in your business, complete marketing systems, financial scale-up systems, business process, how do you implement standard operating procedures for all your departments. Finally, scale-up routines. What are the 3 different meetings every single entrepreneur needs to run? And here comes the best part. You get access to Thirstful Thursdays. Every week Thursday we have our weekly coaching programs wherein we go deep into each and every topic that are really, really useful for you to take your business to a whole new level. Be it business growth strategies, entrepreneur insights, global trends, HR, marketing, finance, running ads, franchising your business, multiple things. And even if you miss out those live events, you can also have access to the recordings, and all the recordings will be available for you at Treasure Vault. And not just that, you also get to experience GFI membership along with chapter participation. You will be mapped to a chapter and you can enjoy being a member in the chapter and continue to grow. The 70% funnel. You may be thinking, what if I join today and will you keep selling me something else again? Well, the answer is no and yes. Here's a simple difference between our model and anybody else's model. Normally, this is the industry's norms. Normally what happens, there's a level 1 program where people teach you about 10 to 15% of things, and then there's a level 2 where 15 to 60% of knowledge is covered, and then you'll have to go to the higher program or the consulting one or the level 3 wherein you get 100% absolute knowledge whatever the particular company or person has to offer. But our model is totally different. 70% of knowledge you're going to be getting at level 1 itself. It doesn't mean that we want you to move to level 2. No. Level 2 is not for everybody. It's only by invite. So at level 1, you will have all the tools to take your business to a whole new level, because level 2 is purely by invite, because we have a certain requirements like you need to have X number of employees, X number of branches, and so on, so turnover and all of that. So most of our stuff you can enjoy at level 1 itself. And level 2, that's it. Complete autopilot mode is set for your business. And we do not have a level 3, but as you can see, those 2 columns out there, 5% is virtual and 5% is physical. What does that mean? Level 2 itself is DIY. You can absolutely follow our DIY, do it yourself model and implement every single thing in your business. Yet certain people may have limitation. Not everybody, but a very, very handful of people. For them, we've got actually two options, and where we are going to be empowering other people to come and support you. Some of them could actually support you virtually, and if you want somebody to come to your office physically and implement things, they can go for the physical option as well. And all those revenues will not come to us, because we are planning to empower coaches and partners around the GFI community where people can take their support as well. So when I mean the 70% funnel, 101 growth doses per year is what you get as a member in GFI. And for all this, you don't pay anything extra. 52 Thirstful Thursday events, 52 weeks in a year and 52 events. We'll go deep every week on a different topic. And chapters will meet twice a month. Therefore, you have 24 chapter meetings. 3 action marathons. Action marathons are the ones where we will really help you on a special note to implement things. You might have certain doubts while implementing things. And on top of the weekly coaching calls and chapter meetings, we're floating something called action marathons that will really push you towards results. And we will also be facilitating something called growth trainings, wherein we can take the expertise of the fellow GFA members and convert that into a learning event for the benefit of everybody else. And all these programs, you get to enjoy it at level 1 itself. That's why I said 70% of the funnel you get to enjoy. And finally, we have growth conference. That's where we bring all the members together in one place where there's a lot of learning and sharing. And as you know, that needs to be organized as a separate event, and that alone could attract basic minimal registration charges. As you know, our main website is growthfoundationinternational.com, and you can have access to our exclusive e-learning portal gfalearning.com, and you also get to have membership at peer learning and sharing portal gfacommunity.com. And along with all this, as you join today, as a token of appreciation, we would love to gift you 2 books of 100 hacks for business growth. The whole idea of GFI is to move entrepreneurs from circle of existence to circle of mastery. We run business knowing certain things, and we're really good at that. That's called circle of existence. We know certain things and we try to run our business with that. But what happens in GFI, if you are just willing to learn during our Thirstful Thursday events, we can move you to circle of awareness. You will come to know about several things that exist in business. Oh my God, I didn't knew this exists. This is a fantastic strategy. This is a wonderful strategy. I think this is the way to go about it. Just by participating, you will move from circle of existence to circle of awareness. But that's not enough. If you are willing to take action, you can move to circle of mastery. You don't just know certain things, you get to know many things, and not just that, you get to practice and implement that and become a pro in those areas. That's when you build mastery in running your own business. It's a DIY model. You are not alone. If you notice the organization hierarchy, always the CEO or the founder or chairman, management director is all alone out there. As an entrepreneur, you're no longer alone. You can partner with fellow entrepreneurs at the GFA community. You can learn with them, grow with them. What we follow is a pure DIY style coaching. Just implement the toolkit, just follow the templates, customize them, and the growth is waiting for you. And don't even doubt the kind of value that we can add to you, because we are super addicted to really adding value to our members. 10x to 100x is your ROI on your investment into this GFI forum. And not only that, the cost is also very nominal, because it's priced in a way it is less than an average staff salary and lesser than an average office rental expense. Growth is now affordable. What are you waiting for? Come, join us. Skyrocketing growth for your business is waiting.